Yan. So my name is Coach Ann Jordan from Silang, Cavite. So I've been in this community, I've been in a product for 14 years now. So ang result, grabe. So before kasi I was overseas. So, syempre, ang layo mo sa family mo. Yun yung hindi ko nagustuhan before. Thanks God, I was introduced to this healthy breakfast natin that changed my life. Kasi before I had a very challenging health. So goal ko is talagang ma-improve naman yung health ko. And pinaka-bonus, lose weight ako ng 15 pounds dito. So, actually, Herbalife is talagang nutrition. Hindi talaga siya na pang lose weight lang. That's actually bonus pag ginagawa mo yan. But really to improve your health, kasi yung activity ko before is very limited. But nung talagang gumanda na yung pakiramdam ko, nagagawa ko na yung hindi ko nagagawa before, like hiking, walking, and yung mga um, even for yung mga travel na gusto mo. Kasi ang hirap mag-travel pag hindi maganda yung pakiramdam mo, di ba? So, I really enjoy doing this. Ngayon, na-share ko na siya sa community ko with my family dito sa area namin. So, I'm very grateful na talagang dito din sa community, alam mo yung tinutulungan ka mag-improve. So you just have to plug in kasi meron talaga tayong ditong continuing education. Talagang every now and then you will learn and nagagamit mo yan at nasi-share mo rin siya. So kanina na-announce yung mga events. So we just have to go to events para matutunan natin yung gusto natin matutunan. Okay? Yan. So this morning, ang topic ko is very short, but this is very informative kasi this is about carbohydrates and exercise and why you need carbs if you're active. So, marami kasing mga misconceptions na yung sinasabi nilang carbs are bad. Pero dito, sabi nga ni Michelle, balanced nutrition is important for exercise. Next, please. Yan. So, balanced nutrition is very important for exercise. Carbohydrates are special key for yung maintaining sa peak performance natin during yung mga physical activity like tayo, mga babae, usually active tayo sa bahay or hindi lang basta yung sinasabi nating athlete talaga, but we are active in the activity na sa bahay. Like ako, I love gardening. So kailangan talaga natin din ng carbohydrates. So in fact, sabi nga carbohydrates are the most important source of fuel in an athlete's diet. Okay? So right now, I'm going to share to you yung 4 top reasons why we shouldn't cut yung carbs. Kasi marami kasing totally nag-cut sila ng carbs and nanghihina sila, okay? We have to remember the first, carbohydrates fuel the brain and muscles. So carbohydrates are the main source of energy for our brains and our bodies to function properly. So they fuel our central nervous system and yung muscles natin. So think of it as yung gasoline na nilalagay mo sa car mo. Our bodies store carbs in our muscles as glycogen. So which is then converted into glucose when you need it. So this is how carbs help yung dinidelay niya yung fatigue. Sinusustain niya, napoprolong ka yung mga workout ninyo or yung mga competitive sports na ginagawa ninyo. So that's very important. Okay, next please. Second is carbohydrates prevent muscle breakdown. So adequate carbohydrates intake can prevent muscle breakdown kasi yung from glycogen na depletion by freeing yung protein na gagawin niya yung main job niya. Remember, yung main job niya is to repair and rebuild yung muscle tissue. So if we limit yung carbs na nakakainin natin, yung protein will be used for energy rather than yung building yung lean muscle siya. So, mas maganda na balance talaga siya, hindi yung ikat natin. Okay, next. So, sabi nga ni Michelle, carbohydrates before a workout will boost your performance. So, this is very important also na pre-workout, meron tayong mga naka-prepare na healthy na mga ano natin, healthy na carbohydrates natin. Kasi consuming carbohydrate, I mean, if you have like ever felt yung, di ba, minsan na nanghihina ka, o energy mo is very low before the workout, ganyan. Kasi, minsan kasi we didn't fuel up with yung sufficient carbs na kailangan natin. So, choosing snacks na high in carbohydrates, easy to digest, such as yung bananas, yes, that's very easy. Ayan, pero malaking tulong talaga yan para sa, especially if you're exercising. Ito yung mga nakakatulong for optimal level ng glucose of, I mean, yung ma-maintain natin yung optimal level ng blood glucose para sa muscles natin. Yung foods high in fiber, sabi niya, kailangan din natin i-avoid pala yan if you are really into athlete, ha. Sabi niya, you have to avoid that kasi it will cause yung gastrointestinal distress and should be avoided close dun sa exercise mo. Okay, if you're really exercising. Pero ikaw naman, pag nasa bahay ka naman na active ka, pwede lang naman. No, yun lang mga talagang nagko-compete. Okay. Okay, so next is, ayan, yun nga, yun yung, balik lang please. Yun yung pinaka the best din sa atin kasi we have this Formula 1 sports. Ayan, ito yung Formula 1 sports, mas ano siya, mas maganda siya sa kaysa yung regular na shake natin. So ito usually ginagamit ng mga may mga active talaga sila. So yan yung ano natin, Formula 1 sports natin. And number 4, yan. So carbohydrates accelerate recovery. Okay, so consuming carbohydrates after exercise helps replenish the energy used during yung strenuous exercise natin. So this is especially true for activity longer than yung 1 hour and requires extra attention para mag-carb refueling ka. So muscles need protein and carbohydrates to properly recover and become stronger. Okay, hindi lang yung protein, also carbohydrates. So a post-exercise recovery, yung yung shake dito is may ratio siya 3:1 of carbohydrates to protein. Yun yung perfect daw na way to refuel. So dito, maganda lang sa atin kasi meron tayong, next please, meron tayong Herbalife 24 Rebuild, 'di ba? Ito kasi siya, nakakatulong talaga siya kasi mas mataas yung protein niya dito at saka by the name itself, it helps rebuild talaga yung strength dito. Sabi nga niya, so it's very easy for us na kilala natin yung Herbalife kasi ito sa shake lang, dagdagan mo lang siya ng banana and the milk, ayan, ano na siya, talagang ma-optimize na yung recovery mo. Solved ka na dyan. So talagang ito, napakaganda ng ang ating rebuild strength natin. So sabi niya, whether you're an athlete or fitness enthusiast or just someone who's trying to lose a few pounds, carbohydrates are an important part of an optimal diet for consistent performance and recovery. Sabi niya, instead of cutting carbs completely, choose the right carbs before and after yung workout natin. So, you'll be pleasantly surprised that once you change your relationship with carbs, you will perform and feel better. So I hope na i-apply natin to kasi minsan yung sabi yung mga challengers natin sobrang cut din nila ng carbs na minsan nanghihina sila kasi kulang din talaga din sila ng tamang carbs. Okay? Next please. Ayan, so nutrition for improving your protein intake. Talagang we are so blessed kasi we have this napakagandang mga protein natin. Mayroon tayong 5 flavors of our shake. And meron tayong PPP, which is the personalized protein powder, the Formula 1 Sports, and yung rebuild natin. Talagang ang gagawin natin is we just have to really plan for it. Kung ano yung mga activity natin, iplano natin at iplano din natin yung nutrition natin kasi yun talaga yung fuel ng katawan natin. Okay, so I hope you learned something today. Thank you very much. Back to you, Coach Chow.
Grabe naman po, napaka-informative.